February 32, and as you saw by the title, we got ourselves a great, big, old-fashioned Goodwill haul, y'all. When I tell y'all, because y'all know I moved, you see it's a different background. Y'all know I moved, and if you don't know about that, y'all need to go on back and watch some of our old videos of the whole process of us building the home. I even got videos of the decor that's in the home, so you'll get to see all the different areas in the house and stuff like that. So if that's something that you're interested in, this is a, and if you wanted to know too, this is a KB model home 2596, so check it out. I would appreciate it. So because I moved into a new area, I'm not too far from where Kayla and Jordan moved, and we found like the best Goodwill. Seriously, we go every other Friday and it's insane. So this Friday we decided to share with you, and we might just go ahead and make it a series because we pretty much go every other weekend, and I try to restrain myself. Child, let's just jump right into it. You want to start first with something that you got?
Sure.
Go.
I'll start with something that's not as exciting. I'll save the best for last.
This is pretty exciting,
now,
I think.
When I came out of the dressing room, after I tried everything on, oh, it's this way. This was just sitting on a hanger. And it's like a crop top, turtleneck.
With just the sleeves.
Yeah.
It is so stinking cute. What brand is that?
Hazel Moon.
Hazel Moon.
Oh, it's a 1X. Not bad.
Alright, so yeah, so she got that. And then, so y'all know, if y'all know about Goodwill, you know, if there's stuff behind the counter, then it's usually like a little pricey, you know, considering Goodwill pricey. And I saw the stripes like this, and I'm like, is that Adidas? And I was like, ask the lady, because Kayla was checking out and I'd already checked out, and she brought it up and she was like, oh yeah, it's Adidas, like that. And I was like, oh yeah, that is so cute. We're like, how much is it? Because, you know, according to how much it is, if we want to buy it. She said $6.99. We said, we both were like, say what? Y'all, look how great condition that this thing is. And I'm going to tell you something else about that Goodwill. They use they do wash, because I can smell like fabric softener or something in their
like
clothes.
I can actually, like, I wouldn't feel bad wearing the clothes straight from buying it. Yeah. The other Goodwill sometimes
it'd be stanky, like. But yeah, so I got this for $6.99. Let's go, because we got a lot to show.
Okay. Then once again, the dressing room. We're walking up to the dressing room to try on more clothes. And this white, like,
cute baby doll dress. So cute.
So cute.
And what's the brand?
AWU.
AWU. AUW.
Yeah, dyslexia.
AUW. So then I'm looking for more color, because I got a lot of black and gray stuff that I'm always wearing, and I want to kind of punch up my colors a little bit. So I got this beautiful like orange sweater. I think it looks really good on my skin. So I feel like I have to have sweaters when I go to work, or I have to have something on my arms, because it's always so cold in there, and we cannot have heaters or anything in our office. So I always try to make sure I got something, and since I'm trying to go more of a brighter color, I decided to get this orange, and it's really pretty. And it's Valerie Stevens. It's a 1X.
Oh my gosh, that sounds like a designer of dresses at work.
Oh really?
Val Stefani.
Oh okay. Yep, this is Valerie Stevens. So, and I think I've seen that before. Next.
Alright, this is what we actually were supposed to be going to Goodwill for.
Yeah.
I got these DKNY. I actually put the letters right.
Yep.
Skinny, like.
And they're such good quality. Donna Karen, New York. Come on, y'all. DKNY, bye. Oh, we're not even telling price. Well, I don't know prices, because, oh wait, I got. So everything that I got, I paid about $82 for, and I got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces for $82. So you can't really beat that. All right, let's move on. So here, a J. Crew jumper.
Gonna get it, but I made her.
Yeah, I didn't know if I was gonna get it or not, but I really do like. I have to keep it kind of open, because it will. I want to close across these breastises. But I know I want to put like a bandeau top or something of any kind of color to pop out of it or whatever. But it's really cute. It has little pockets in the back, and it has pockets up front too. And I mean, like I said, in perfect condition. J. Crew. Like, I ain't lying. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Look at that. J. Crew. It's crazy.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, I found this
That
dress.
is so cute too. So cute.
So cute. And it has pockets.
It's,
I
look
love
at that
the
with pockets.
sleeves.
And it's so soft.
I know I keep getting soft stuff.
Yeah, it's really soft. And the reason why Kayla's getting a lot of black and white, because that's what she has to wear to work. Because I don't know if I told a lot of y'all. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you'll know. But she got a new job. She no longer works at Lowe's. She's at a bridal store.
At Whittington Bridal.
So yeah.
And this is Violet Weekend.
And then I got this cute shirt here that I can just feel like I can wear it on casual Fridays, or any kind of Friday actually, or any kind of day. It's Apartment 9.
That's what, Kohl's?
I think so. I think that is Kohl's. It has a little zipper in the back, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a sheer fabric, but it kind of reminds me of like a jogging outfit for some odd reason.
Letterman jacket.
Yeah, something like that, like a pullover. But it's so, I think it's super cute. It's gonna be cute with some black pants. I can tell you that already. So yeah, there we go.
I got I got this gray shirt that I can wear to work. Since we can wear black, white, and gray, but mostly black. I can tuck it in with like a skirt.
Or she can put a belt on top of it too,
yep,
and wear it outside or something.
Yep.
That's cute, cute.
So
and we're trying to go fast because it's a lot of stuff, and then of course we don't want to run out of battery power. Then I got this beautiful blue top here, and I love it because again, I'm trying to get more color. I go in my closet wanting to wear color, and I'm not finding a lot. But it ties on the side. It's a little big, but the way I tie it, I make it, you know, fit really nice. And this is Alfani, and I've seen this before too. I just can't remember where. I don't know if it's Macy's or something, but I've seen Alfani before. Okay.
I got this like shirt dress.
I know, and I want it so bad. I just want to just like, give it to me.
I love the leopard print, and it's got pockets.
And it's got pockets in this one too. And I have the perfect shoes to wear with this.
That I'll be buying.
But it's so cool.
And this is Banana Premium.
Banana Premium. I'm going to look her up. Then, because I like that. Then I got this baby doll type of a dress too. I feel like this is more for fall though, because it's kind of a corduroy type of fabric.
Say cord.
Yeah.
That's the name.
Oh really? Oh yeah, cinnamon baby cord. And I just thought it was so cute. I can wear this with some boots if I wanted to, or I could wear it with some sneakers in the fall. I just think it's so pretty. And again, trying to get more color. Because when you go into a store, and I know a lot of people are like this, you go into a store, you get black and gray and white and stuff like that. And we need to these batteries going down.
Okay, and then I got these high-waisted gray pants for work. And they're so cute.
And you have to take them to the Queens.
Yep, and they're East 50.
Then I ended up getting this long gown, like loungy thing. I'm not going to wear it to bed because I can't stand to wear long sleeves to bed. And like you said, you don't want to get it all twisted. But I can see myself walking around the house in this with pockets. We got pockets. And when it's really chilly and cold or whatever in the morning, I can see wearing this around. And then I told her, I said, I might can get away with doing a Zoom call in this too because they'll think it's just a top. Yeah. So it's really cool. I love it. And the brand is Eureka. Nope, that is not the name of it.
Oh,
Ector. I say Eureka. No, that is not the name.
I've been looking for a black cardigan because I have one that's like long and like grayish, white and black. I finally found me a black one.
That's cool.
Cute.
Yeah. Alright. And then I found this Calvin Klein olive green with pockets jumper. I have been into these jumpsuits. I don't know why. I have a closet full of them. But I think it's so cute because it has the gold Calvin Klein right there. But yeah, super cute. Got the pockets. It's a small, but I know it's going to fit me good, honey. So yeah. We got some good stuff. I just feel like we got some really, really good stuff.
And then I got a set. Let me size these. Okay. I got 2 of them actually, but this brown Fashion Nova long maxi dress. And it comes with, well, we found it, and it comes with the matching
cardigan. And y'all, when I tell y'all it's so super cute, you might as well go ahead. Well, you want to wait?
Yeah.
Because you only. I thought you had like 3 bags.
I did.
Oh, are we missing a bag?
Is there another bag?
What
Is it on the other side?
No.
Huh. Okay.
No?
I thought I had more stuff. Oh no, there's 3 bags.
Oh, okay. Here we go. All right. And then I got this beautiful yellow blouse. And Taylor Loft. Crazy the brands that they have at that store. And Taylor Loft. Nice, beautiful yellow blouse. Again, bright colors. I'm trying. Okay. And the battery thing is trying to go off on us. Okay. We'll just keep going until it cuts off.
And then I got another maxi dress. The same one, but in this beautiful blue.
Like a baby pale blue.
So cute. And it's
that
long.
one's really cute.
And then the cardigan. And it's brand new. So cute.
Okay. I'm trying to see. Got 3 minutes. Okay. Then I got this green blue top. Again, beautiful color from Target. I just cannot even believe, like, it's very silky on the back and like that navy blue sweater on the front. Then I got another beautiful yellow kind of sweatery type thing, which I know I can wear at work because I'll stay warm. This is by Coldwater Creek. Another fabulous, fabulous, expensive brand. And it has like the little silver or yellow and silver buttons down here at the end. So super, super cute. I'm still going. I thought you had more than I did.
Oh, I just have this leopard print belt, and that's it.
And then I ended up getting a pair of nice black trousers to wear with everything, and they're very comfortable. And you can get away with wearing stuff like this now at work. They're kind of like a jogging suit type of black pant. And then, all right, I think we made it. One more pair of black pants, and this is Rafaela Comfort. And I love the gold buttons right here in the front of it too. It's really cute. So yeah, that is it. We made it through. There's so much, and I think we're gonna, if you guys want this to be a series, go ahead and comment below and let us know if that's what you want to see more hauls like this, because we definitely don't mind bringing them to you. I can see bringing more and more, and sometimes we even come out of there with great shoes. So yeah. So if this is some type of content that you think you guys would like, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. What you're waiting on is free. Y'all know I'm on a bargain. That's what we do. We like to bargain shop around here. And if that's something that you like, smash that button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we put up a video, right? Because Kayla's going to be joining me. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you again for stopping by. Bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.